Are thread tensions causing you some tension? Stay tuned, I'm gonna help you. Thread tension, what even is it? This illustration is a great example of a proper thread tension. When you sew, you want your threads to look exactly the same on the top as they do on the bottom. If they don't, that means it's time to check your thread tensions and change them around a little bit. Tension is basically a disc, and as you tighten that tension, the discs are gonna close, which causes more tension on your thread. This is a very, very loose thread tension, and this is a very tight one. So you'll see on the right side of the fabric, when it's loose, it looks pretty good, but on the back side, it's a straight line, and that does not look good. And you'll see when you have your tension very high and tight, it's gonna look more of like that straight line effect on this side and then pretty on the other side. Neither of these are correct. We want them to look exactly the same on both sides. For me, that's a 6 on my machine with this particular fabric. The stitch should look the same on the top and the bottom of your fabric. When you cannot get your thread tension correct, even if you've gone through every number on your dial, here are a couple troubleshooting options. The first thing you can do is rethread your top thread. Just take it completely out and go from the beginning. And I would set your tension all the way back down to a 0. Once you rethread the machine, set it at what the tension is that you want to try. Second troubleshooting tip, take out your bobbin completely. And in some cases, you might even want to take off this plate and sweep it out and vacuum it out and get all of that debris out of there, because that could be causing problems as well. Make sure also that you are putting your bobbin in correctly. Machines require different bobbin placements, and you want to refer to your manual on this. The last thing I would recommend if you're still struggling is to change your needle. When you have a needle that's worn out, it's not going to sew properly, so switch your needle out as well. Those are 3 troubleshooting tips. This is Thread Tension Explained. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and follow for more.